Hello, Schmucker Middle School Spartans. This is Mrs. Eck. I'm one of the school counselors at SMS. And Mrs. Hoover, the other school counselor, and I wanted to make sure that students know how to reach the school counselors to make an appointment. Maybe you have a question about your schedule, or maybe you're having some issues with a peer, or maybe you need to talk about an issue outside of school. Whatever you need from us, and whether we're learning virtually or in person, it's the same process to request an appointment. So let's go over how you do that. There are a couple different ways you can get to the form to request an appointment with your school counselor. You can go to the Schmucker Middle School website, and right underneath the guidance tab, it's actually the first thing you can click on. It says Counselor Appointment Form. Also, students typically get a weekly newsletter, and every week there will be somewhere on it where you can get to the form. This is an old newsletter from last year, but you can see right here it says Counselor Request Form. So whether I click on it here or I get to it from the website, it will bring up the same form. And it's really easy to use. It gives you some information up top. It talks about what you can do in case of an emergency, and then you have the information to fill out if you want an appointment. So if I am a student and I'm filling out this form, I'm going to type in my last name, my first name, then I'm going to select whatever grade I'm in. If my last name starts with an A through K, I would click Mrs. Eck. If my last name begins with L through Z, I would select Mrs. Hoover. And then on the bottom, I'm going to write a brief description about what I want to talk to my school counselor about. I might say something really easy like, I have a question about my schedule. Or I might type, I am having an issue with a friend. A description here really helps us prioritize the order in which we see students. It gives us an idea of how serious an issue is and how quickly we need to tackle it. So we do like it when you give us an explanation here. Then all you have to do is hit submit. Once you do that, your counselor will be notified that you'd like to speak with them. If we're here in school, we would probably send you a pass or have a teacher send you down by calling the classroom. If we are learning virtually, we will send you an email. So you want to check your emails after you submit a request to the counselor. And then from that point, we can arrange the best way for us to meet so we can take care of whatever it is you need. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your school counselor using this appointment request form. Have a great day.